Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are back with a new Halloween face painting tutorial by Simone, and for today she is creating this werewolf for us. So to start we are going to color the eyes, and this is done with gold. This is a very bright gold by Superstar. It is called Gold Finch. It's number 141. For those of you who are interested in numbers. And Simone is just painting her upper eyelids with this gold. So once the eyelids are painted, we can continue to creating the fur of our werewolf. So to make this easy and get loads of color on the skin at once, Simone is using a split cake by Diamond FX. This one is called Beach, and with an angled brush by Superstar, Simone is creating kind of a pattern on her forehead. So first she is just using the light colors that are in that split cake. It has white, light brown and a dark brown color. And once the basic pattern is on there, Simone is going to switch to the darker colors of that same split cake to really create that furry effect. So that is what you see her doing here on her cheek. So both of the cheeks get the same furry effect, and with that same colors she is going over the forehead as well, just to blend all those colors a little bit. So for a werewolf we obviously need a wolf nose that is created with a black face paint. This is the basic black, or the essential black I must say, by Diamond FX. So just make a wolfy nose for yourself. And once the nose is done, we are doing a few new eyebrows. So this color is actually from that split cake Beach. Simone just picked up the darkest color from that split cake and is creating wolfy eyebrows. And I am only showing you one eyebrow in this video, but you should definitely do both of them in the same shape and the same style. Now we are back to the black by Diamond FX for the eyeliner. So just start it a bit further than the inner corner of your eye to get really that kind of sexy eye shape for yourself. There is an upper eyeliner and a lower eyeliner as well with the water-based face paint. You can definitely use an eyeliner for this, but the black face paint works fine as well. A little bit of white to enhance the shape of the eyes. And once the eyeliner is done, we are putting a little bit of eyeshadow on those eyes, which Simone puts on there with a Star Blend Black by Maron, just to create a bit more depth to those eyes. Finally, a black lipstick, and with that our quick and easy and kind of cute looking werewolf design is done.